In this video, I will guide you on how to fix TikTok verification failed. If you're facing this issue, then the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check. If that doesn't fix your issue, you want to turn on the flight mode. So go ahead and tap on the flight mode or airplane mode option. Now wait for at least 15 seconds, then tap on the flight mode option again to turn that off. Also make sure to turn off any VPN. That is because VPN can interfere with TikTok. Next thing you want to do is update the TikTok app. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store on your device. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search TikTok. If you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next, you want to restart the app. For that, close the TikTok app completely, open your app switcher and swipe TikTok off of your screen. Now launch open TikTok and check if your issue is fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.